How to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. First fix is to allow WhatsApp access to contacts. So, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option and then tap on contacts. Make sure WhatsApp is toggled on. Next fix is to refresh WhatsApp contacts. So go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and go to the Chats tab. Further, tap the new chat icon and then pull down on the contact list to refresh the list. This forces WhatsApp to resync your contacts. The next fix is to make sure contacts are saved in iPhone's address book. So, go to your Contacts app and confirm that your WhatsApp contacts are listed there with names and phone numbers. The next fix is to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart can fix temporary sync issues and it clears background glitches affecting contact sync. The next fix is to update WhatsApp and your iOS. So, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for WhatsApp and update the application if any update is available. Also, in Settings, tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, as new versions fix bugs including contact sync problems. So, this is how you can fix WhatsApp contacts not showing on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.